Look, so proud of my kids. You gotta let your kids go when you get older, and you gotta go live a life for yourself. And I thank God every day that I am who I am, and I thank God for you being in my life with me. So, I am trucking with B. I want you to drive safe. SDMO, slow down, move over, remember your Smith system, use your turn signals, put it in the elementary school, middle school, you can't tell them nothing, you got to put them behind the wheel. You should have been done explained everything, and the technology and the self-driving. I went on a self-driving test, and I had no stomach for, I have no experience, education with a self-driving car, and I have driven up to 18 speed Freightliner, Coronado, oh my lord, heavy haul, earth movers, they permits every state. Oh my god, don't have no, but you got to have a printer in your truck for your permits. But that's a whole nother story, but wanted to catch you up. Monkey, Becky, damn it, doll. Tomorrow's Monday, thank the Lord. But let's talk relationship. Let's talk women's mental health. Let's talk men's mental health. Because if I can't lift you up, I'll be damn if I tear you down. And that's on a for real tip in relationships, because if I give you me, ninja, there ain't no turning back, I promise you. You know, like, you stuck. It's not a hit it and quit it, and you knew that getting into it, because hell, I made you wait for 5 months verbally, you know, and then we got down to 30 days and you want to bullshit, and yeah, I ain't the one, you know. So let's talk relationships, because you can read between the lines, but you got to be uplifting in doing it, because, yeah, I'm serious and I'm Pacific, and everybody that knows me knows that about me. And beauty is a curse. I promise you, women, you are beautiful, you are encouraging, you ain't got to prove yourself to nobody. You don't have to show your cleavage, your ass, your legs. You don't have to be a show-off for the world. We're not Barbie dolls, because look what they done turned Barbie into. I am trucking with V. I love you, and until next time, prayer on the patio tonight at 7, live StreamYard. I'll post the link. Thank you for watching. Day, Las Vegas Bay. Put Lady A in your prayers. Leukemia. Becky, bless Dwayne with the surgery, pacemaker. People living real lives out here, and I love you, and I'm going to make you a part of my life, and you are a part of mine. And we're going to do it together, and we're going to do it through characters and laughing, and it's free. Look, what I'm going to get you to do, watch Chosen with me while I sit here and crochet. Let's do that. Thank you. I love you. Peace out. Till next time, thank you. That's too much editing. So I got to ride down there, the traffic, the 85, the game, Oklahoma.